If you want to change the battery style on OnePlus 13 5G, first of all, open up your settings. After that, you're gonna scroll down to our notifications and quick settings option. There it is. So here, we gotta find our status bar. And in our status bar, you have your battery style. There it is. So it can be vertical, horizontal, loop, or do not show your battery at all, right? Easy as that. Also, you can choose how you want to show your battery percentage. Either you want to turn it off, it's available in some modes, right? So choose what's gonna be the best for you, and basically that's it. Honestly, I prefer it horizontal and with a outside battery button. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.